I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account you'll use. This links ownership and indexing. Once signed in, open Google Drive or Google Photos and create a dedicated folder for upload. This organizes images for search. Make sure each file name includes descriptive keywords separated by hyphens, and confirm formats are JPG or PNG. You do this now because Google reads file names and folders for context. Preparing images correctly speeds up discovery and reduces manual edits later. Once your files are uploaded, you add the context Google uses: titles, captions, and alt text. In Drive, right-click a file and choose Details to add a description. In Photos, use the Info panel to add text. If you plan to surface images in Google Search, make sure they are in a shared folder or hosted on a public web page. Private content won't be indexed. This step matters because metadata and public accessibility directly influence whether and how images appear in search results. You finish by ensuring images are discoverable. Publish the folder or page, and then use Google Search Console to request indexing of the page containing your images. After requesting indexing, monitor performance in the console and wait a few days for crawling. If an image does not appear, check common blockers, robots, TXT, noindex tags, or drive privacy settings and correct them, then re-request indexing. One key tip: errors are usually permission or crawl block issues, so verify accessibility first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.